guys, this is Flashforge at Formnext and it's absolutely booming. We have managed to invite some of the coolest creators in the 3D printing world.
Sam Prentice YouTube channel.
Yeah, I do tech reviews in Italy and great stuff.
Hi, I'm Brandon from PrintStart 3D.
Hello, my name is Chris. My YouTube channel is Der absolute Hammer.
I'm Cherry. I've got the YouTube channel Technapa.
Then I'm Thomas from Poly Workshop.
Hello everyone, I'm Cesar from Control 3D.
Actually, would you recommend like the 85X to beginners or professional creators?
Yeah, so I think if you're going to get into 3D printing for the very first time, I think the 85X is an excellent printer for the money.
In fact, I just suggest this printer to a lot of different users. Really great printer to start with. And of course, if you are more professional, even if you have, you want to run it in a print farm, it's very compact, doesn't take a lot of space.
Thank you so much for your compliments for this machine. So which point actually is like make you feel most satisfied with?
Printing TPU in multiple colors. There is almost no printer, multiple color printer, being able to print TPU like that, and yeah, that's really great.
Easy to use, good price, and you can load filament fast. You have the app, you have the software. It's really a good machine.
It was actually one of the easiest 3D printers that I've ever assembled. It took me like less than 30 minutes to actually put it together and start using it, so I was really happy about that.
I think it's not only one feature, it's a combination of a good quality print with multicolor with a good price.
It's a Flashforge, so that's worked well. Yeah, there's a good ecosystem. Print slicers works well.
So, actually, do you have any expectation for our brand next year?
Oh, as I said before, that multicolor system, and I've seen it at a few shows. You know, we were in Detroit. I did an interview with you guys back then as well. This multicolor resin printing is a big push, but I need to see the machine. I want to get it in my hands. I want to know what this thing is going to be like. And again, big expectations on that, and it's on the shoulders of Flashforge right now.
Let's see a bigger printer, because everyone, cosplayers, and me myself, I do big projects, and I'd like to have like an MA5 Max maybe with like a bigger board.
I think it's a good position. It's a global player, Flashforge. What we don't have to forget is Flashforge is not only a consumer, a manufacturer. You're still producing bigger machines for the industry.
One thing I'm seeing here in Formnext is how all the brands in FDM are worried about reducing all the filament purge when we are changing it between colors. So I think this is a way that Flashforge can make something different. The question about how Flashforge can reduce the purchasing volumes. So I think this is a good question that will be interesting to see how you solve.
Thank you.
Thank you, muchas gracias.
Okay, now we really have a special guest. What's his name?
Hi, I'm Mulan, 15 years old, and I'm from the channel Just 3D Print.
How many fans do you have?
Over 3,500 followers right now.
What's your top view for one video?
305,000.
When did you start 3D printing?
I started 3D printing 3.5 years ago at 12 years old.
Actually, like people like me, I'm into 3D printing too, but I wouldn't consider like create my channel. So what make you feel like, oh, I want to be an influencer, have my social media?
When I first had my first 3D printer, a lot of people were always asking me how did it work. So I needed to explain it a lot of times. And that was the moment when I thought, if I just make some videos, put it online, everybody around the world can see it, can learn about it, and can start 3D printing on their own.
Oh, you want to spread it, right?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. So do you have anything to say to like some teenagers or the children, the kids, or like anyway, people who love the 3D printing thing?
Just start. Obviously, the market of 3D printers is so much better to 3 or 4 years ago. Imagine you needed to start 10 years ago. There were no machines, no fast printers, and now you can print a Banshee, a boat, in just 10 minutes. It's amazing.
Say hi to the can and say bye to the can. Also, stay tuned with Flashforge. Stay tuned with Mulan's channel.
Bye.
Bye.